The moon is white and round tonight. It shines so bright, a lovely sight. But wait, oh no, it makes a sound. A loud hiccup shakes the ground. Hiccup, hiccup, go away. Come back another sunny day. We jump up high to reach the sky. My glowing friend floats way up high. We bring a cup of starry tea to help the moon just wait and see. Hiccup, hiccup, go away. Come back another sunny day. The moon takes one big giant sip. It does a little backward flip. The hiccups stop, the silence stays. We dance around in happy ways. Hiccup, hiccup, go away. Come back another sunny day. The night is calm, the stars all gleam. It feels just like a happy dream. No more hiccups, sleep so tight. We wave goodbye to soft moonlight. Hiccup, hiccup, go away. Come back another sunny day. Good night, moon, and good night, friends. This is how our story ends.